Hi there. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sarah Valentine and I am an accent and dialect coach. And if you have a request for a sentence, please email me at sarah@sarahvalentine.com and I will do that for you. Here is a request from, I'm not going to name names. They have asked me to do platypus in a billowing billabong. We will see how this one goes. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
American.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Standard British.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Devonshire.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
German.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Scottish.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Geordie.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Brummie.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Yorkshire.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Scouse.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Irish.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Russian.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Cockney.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
South African.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Northern Irish.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
New Zealand.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
British RP.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
New York.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.
Australian.
Platypus in a billowing billabong.